हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करते हैं कुछ एमसीक्यूज़। हेट्रोट्राइकस हैबिट्स मीन। आंसर है हमारा इसका प्रोस्टेट एंड इरेक्ट ब्रांचेस। द colony is which the number and arrangement of the cell is fixed is called synobium. Fristella is an example of heterotrichy. False branching is found in Scytonema. Alva is an example of foliothalus in algae. Very short answer and questions. State the two basic type of algae plant body from which enormous range of vegetative structure originate, unicellular and multicellular. Name the class of algae which do not show vegetative unicellular forms. Phaeophyceae. Give any two example of non-motile unicellular algae. Chlorella, Crococcus spirulina. What is a synobium? A colony with definite number of cells arranged in a particular manner. Name the algae which is a non-motile synobium that consists of coccoid unicells, Hydrodictyl. Which are the two basic modification of filamentous forms? Heterotrichous habits, pseudoparenchymatous habit. Name the genus of algae which show pseudoparenchymatous thallus having uniaxial construction. Batrachospermum. Mention an algae which shows multiaxial construction of plant body. Polysiphonia. Which type of habit is seen in algae forms like Botridium, Protosiphon and Boucheria? Siphonous habit. Name the advanced parenchymatous thallus in algae where the differentiation of leaf-like, root-like, stem-like structure occur. Sargassum laminaria. Water bloom are usually caused by myxophyceae. Which of the following algae are used as the main source for obtaining agar-agar? Gelidium and Gracilleria, both of the above. Which of the following algae is an important source of iodine? Laminaria. Nitrogen fixation in the soil is caused by myxophyceae. Nitrogen fixation in the soil is caused by blue green algae. Carrageen is obtained from Chondrus. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium. Alginic acid is obtained from Phaeophyceae. Diatomin earth is a product of Basiloophyceae. High protein content are found in the chlorella. Chlorella is a rich source of protein. Carrageen is obtained from the chondrus. The algae aceta has been used extensively for a number of research experiments in genetics and cytology. Acetobularia. Exras are larvicidal in nature. Olozira. Antithalamic drug tissue Q isO is obtained from Dignia simplex. Agar-agar is obtained from Gelidium gracilaria. Name the botanical name of iris moss Chondrus crispus. What is the basic role of algae in aquatic ecosystem? It acts as primary producer. Name the two seed beads most commonly used for the commercial extraction of agar-agar, Gelidium and gracilaria. What is diatomite? The cell wall material of diatoms. What are the minerals of commercial importance obtained from algae? Iodine, bromine, potash, etc. What is carrageen? A product obtained from the red algae Chondrus crispus. Name the two genera of algae which are commercial cultivated for their protein, Chlorella and Spirulina. What is chlorelin? An antibiotic obtained from chlorella. What is Funori? It is a sieging agent used in the paper and cloth industry. Mention the properties of alginates responsible to their use in industry. Non-toxicity, high viscosity, quick formation of gel. Name the algae that yield bromine. Rhodomela and Polysiphonia. What are the Cyanophycean members that are most commonly employed in the reclamation of alkaline and user soil?